All right, welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture here, we're going to be displaying the category that this product is supposed to have, which is nothing. All right. So, but anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at this one here. All right. So if we wanted to, right, we could come to the category, wherever that is, right here. All right. And do PHP echo product um, category ID, right? And we'll have something like this. We'll have number two, right? But what we want to display is the category name, right? So in order for us to go there, we need to actually invoke the categories function, a categories function that we got, and we can use that actually. Let's use a categories function that we have, if you remember, because right now we are looping through the products page and we don't have the products category title. All right. So to have the category title, we need to go and loop through the categories table. We have a function that was going to do that for us. It's called the show product category title. All right. So let's come back here and let's just paste it there. What we're going to be doing is passing in the product category ID. All right. So now come back here, enter, and now we can see that default category that one has, and we can double check it right here. All right. If it doesn't have one, we'll go here and we'll select one, update it. Now it does, and when we come back here, we see it. All right. Beautiful, right? So this is just beautiful. All right. So this function right here is doing all that for us. Update. The problem, and I wanted to show you that, is that when we click update on that one here and it's empty, like right now, you go here and you click on it, then you get this empty because we don't have a value there. All right, we don't have a value in the here. So what we need to do is have a value. What value can we have there? Well, the product category ID and the product and the cat ID is the same. So why not just echo right now what we got for product category ID? All right, let's just echo that, and we'll just get that same product back in there. All right, so we come here, example ID 1, update again, and we have the same one. Do 2, come back here. You see that? Perfect. So that's fixed. One thing that I wanted to tell you about is that we had, and I told you that we were creating this reports page to see the sales that we make in our site. Well, we created the tables, right? We inserted some data in there and we got some data, very good data. Now, the reason why I wanted to show you how to create this is because it's very simple to now go ahead and create and edit and delete any record you want inside your database. All right. So for example, right now in the reports table that we got some data, and all you have to do to display that is what we have been doing all along. All right. The same thing that we're doing with products in admin is the same thing you are going to do with the reports table. All right. You can create a place where you can see all your reports. All right. And display just like this in a table, and then you can just delete it. Very simple. All right. So now you know how to add products, pictures, and all that. We can view them. Beautiful, right? So the next step is we're going to be adding a product. Not adding a product, adding the categories, then users, and then we'll deal with the reports page if you haven't done so already. So if you want to take that as a challenge, go ahead and take it and do it now. Create a link here. All right, just like, I'm not going to tell you anything else. You can do it yourself. I know that. All right, so create a link, click it, show a table with all the information about that reports table. All right, and you know what? We are going to be doing that after users. So you can go ahead and start doing that right now. Pause the video. When you finish, then you can continue watching the course. So I'm going to give you that as a challenge, and by the time we finish with users, then we start adding those reports, reports table in the e-commerce site. All right. So take care, and I'll see you in the next lecture.